Okay, so my name's Danny. Go by Techno Dan Dan on various forums. These are the Crescendos. It's my brainchild, but it was a collaborative effort. John Marsh pulled crossover duty for me. Steve Manning also helped out with a couple key aspects of the baffle design. It's a three-way design, crossover 2000 hertz and 400 hertz. John put together this nice information packet. If anybody's interested in some of the details of the crossover, I would not be able to describe them at visibility. Yeah, it's been a long process putting these together. They looked really fantastic in my opinion. Let's find out how they sound.
Cabin's this MDF?
This is Baltic birch. The baffle is 3 layers thick. Every other side is 2. About 60 to 70 liters overall.
Is that appliance epoxy finish?
This, what they use? They sprayed it all down with resin first, a couple layers. Unfortunately, if you come in close, you can see a seam where the baffle meets the cabinet. They tried to get that out and they said they would do it again, but ran out of time. I picked these up on Friday. I first got them fired up on Sunday.
Oh wow.
Tested for a couple hours and we had to take them back apart to bring them here. So.
Wow.
What's the bottoms made out of? The aluminum?
This is solid aluminum. It's been plated to appear as copper. And I might do something similar for the screws. You might notice I only use 3 for each of these because I haven't decided what screws we're going to be final on that. So yeah, backside, you might notice there's a plastic piece where the binding posts are. That'll also be aluminum eventually. I'm actually picking that up this weekend. But since I knew I was going to have it, we 3D printed a couple of temporaries. Cool. So, yeah. Any other questions? Dealer's choice on the
Okay.
On the second half.